Okay, Saturday night, 7 minutes after 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I'll admit I'm guilty. I'm on my fourth beer. Tragedy happened Friday night. There's a woman, a native from Kingsclear, was hit by a truck, half ton or whatever. Anyway, she died. And it happened near the gas bar. And me, I put a video on because I even took pictures of people running across the highway to go to the gas bar. You know, I said, this is not good. Anyway, so this morning, a native female, 27 years old. Now this is social media. As a matter of fact, this afternoon I met just chatting. He didn't know who I was. Nice guy, a native from Kingsclear. And then I hear earlier from a friend on the street and told me that she was in jail. Okay. And when I asked a native from Kingsclear, he says, yeah, I think she was. So for me, this tragedy, and I said, can you imagine if she was forced to walk home? See, this is what the Liberal government insists on doing. People on social assistance, people with mental illness, and natives. Once their sentence is over, they sentence them to jail in Fredericton, but they don't bring them back. And I just got this news about 5 minutes ago. In the Irving paper, they won't cover the interview. The only face and interview that I have of the shooter that shot those four people in Brookside, and they won't cover that video, but this thing here, they did good. This is Saturday night. Okay, a 27-year-old woman was killed. Okay, RCMP Jean-Francois Martel told the Daily Gleaner on Saturday morning. An officer was dispatched to the scene. Okay, in the news release, Saturday night, the Department of Justice and Public Safety, Denis Landry, identified the woman as Alicia Paul, noting Paul was an inmate in custody with the Provincial Correctional System. Paul was at home under early release condition. The release read, with all deaths of a person in custody, this will also be investigated by coroner services. This information is being released in accordance of the Department of Justice and Public Safety policy regarding the death of an inmate in the custody of the Provincial Correctional System. Martel said the system suffered severe injury and the collection was pronounced dead at the scene. The woman was walking with a male friend. Alcohol and speed were determined not to be a factor. No charge. Highway was closed. Okay. So, she was an inmate, so was she forced to walk home? That's what I'd like to know. Was she, so they said they're going to be the coroner services. What does that mean? Are they going to have a coroner inquest that the public will hear? Because people are dying behind bars. And there's no public inquiry, there's no coroner inquest, there's nothing. Nothing. They died, they said, well, that's the way it is. Like me, when I was in jail for 2 days for the blowhorn thing, they cut off my medication. Boom. And I could have took a stroke, anything could have happened. So it's sad, sympathy to the family, but I would really like to know the whole story. The question is this: under the Brian Gallant, if Brian Gallant gets re-elected as premier, are we going to get the facts of this tragedy here? Or better yet, maybe it's time they built a little overpass or something, because more people are going to get killed near the gas bar. It's too busy.